put in a quarter of a cup of salt. Half a cup of plain flour next. Next, 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar. That one's fine. 1 tablespoon of oil. Now is the hard part. We have to put a tiny bit of food dye in this water. No, Spartan, you don't do it. I'll try to put a little bit of one because I want to make orange. And yellow and we're going to make orange. Guys, I think I put a bit too much red in. So, now I'm going to put a little bit of yellow in. Yep, a little bit. Look. Now put it in the dustbin. Now mix time. I forgot to turn my dye on. Mix it until it cooks. Then I will eat. Now we cook the guide. Now you gotta gently and carefully put this on a bit of baking paper because it's really hot. Oh, that's actually a cool colour. I like it for my new Play-Doh. Guys, it's really hot, so let it cool for a bit. Yep. 2 hours later. Okay, so now it might be done. Yeah, it's actually good done. Ta-da! Guys, I made a doggy! Guys, Play-Doh is really easy to make and really fun to play with. Why don't you make some at home? Bye! Boop. Now I need to put it all back together because I need it for my class.